Tiger Lily and the Waterfall by Janet Allison Brown. Early one morning, when it was still dark, Stripey Tiger woke up little Tiger Lily. "I have something special to show you," he said. Tiger Lily yawned and looked up at the sky. "I've seen the stars before," she grumbled. But Stripey Tiger was walking into the shadowy jungle. Soon, they came to a path covered in shiny, wet stones. "These stones are as bright as the stars," said Tiger Lily. "Thank you for showing them to me, Stripey Tiger." But Stripey Tiger kept on walking. Tiger Lily had to run to keep up. Suddenly, a small, glittering stream lay across their path. "Oh, how beautiful!" cried Tiger Lily. "Thank you, Stripey Tiger. I'm glad we got up early to see this." But Stripey Tiger jumped over the stream and kept on walking. Tiger Lily followed him, but she got her feet a bit wet. Soon, the stream became a river, and the river became a lake, and there, in front of them, was a rushing, roaring, crashing, splashing waterfall. "You are shinier than 10 stars, or 100 wet stones, or 1,000 glittering streams," cried Tiger Lily, dancing around happily, and Stripey Tiger smiled. "Can you name all the shiny things that Tiger Lily saw? What was the shiniest thing of them all?" The end. Thanks for watching.